In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a transfer case motor on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located in the rear of the vehicle underneath. This is your transfer case motor. You have a sensor here and a clip here. You can take the sensor wire off and off the rear end itself just to get it out of the way and give you a little bit more room. Pull that out towards you, tuck that out of the way. Now you have your 3 5mm Allen bolts. I always like to loosen them up by hand before I put a power tool on them, just in case they snap. Now, when you do remove this motor, you might want to put something underneath here to catch the fluid because there might be some fluid that might drip out. It's always good so you're not making a mess on the floor. You can just pry this straight back, wiggle it, give it a wiggle a little. It will come out. And there's your fluid. Now you have your connector. Push back that white tab. You can push down, or you can either come in here with a little pick. And there you have it. And you can just take a rag, wipe it a little bit, just make sure that surface is nice and clean, so when the new one goes on, it sits nice and flush. Now you can take your plug, plug that back, push the white tab, and install it. Put your 3 mounting bolts back, tighten them up snug. Give it a quick wipe. Install your 1 clip and plug your sensor back in. Wait for the click, and there you have it. After you're all done putting everything back in, you definitely want to check your fluid, top off your fluid. When filling up your rear diff, you have a 3/8 hex. You can use a ratchet, put it in there, take that bolt out, fill it up with the manufacturer's recommended fluid until it just starts to seep out. Then put your bolt back in and torque that bolt down to 89 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.